A healthy morning routine plays a very important role in maintaining good health, fitness, and mental peace. Starting the day early allows the body and mind to feel fresh and energetic, helping us stay active throughout the day. After waking up, drinking 1 or 2 glasses of warm water helps cleanse the body by flushing out toxins, improving digestion, and boosting metabolism. This simple habit supports overall health and prepares the body for daily activities. Gentle stretching and deep breathing exercises in the morning help loosen stiff muscles, improve blood circulation, and increase oxygen flow to the brain. These practices reduce stress, enhance flexibility, and promote relaxation. Spending 15 to 20 minutes on physical activity such as walking, jogging, yoga, or simple exercises like squats and push-ups strengthens the heart, improves muscle tone, and supports weight management. Regular exercise in the morning also improves mood by releasing feel-good hormones, keeping the mind positive and focused. Exposure to early morning sunlight is another essential habit, as it provides vitamin D, which supports strong bones, boosts immunity, and improves overall well-being. Maintaining personal hygiene, such as brushing properly and taking a bath, refreshes the body and helps prevent infections. A nutritious breakfast is a key part of a healthy morning routine because it fuels the body with essential nutrients and energy needed for daily tasks. Including fruits, whole grains, eggs, milk, or yogurt helps improve concentration, supports muscle health, and keeps hunger under control. Avoiding junk and oily foods in the morning protects digestion and heart health. Spending a few minutes in meditation, prayer, or positive thinking helps calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and build emotional balance. Setting positive intentions for the day improves motivation and productivity. Following a consistent and balanced morning routine improves physical fitness, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Over time, these healthy habits help prevent lifestyle diseases, strengthen immunity, and enhance overall quality of life. By adopting a simple and disciplined morning routine, anyone can move toward a healthier, happier, and more energetic life.